In this video, you will learn these 4 important career development queries. What is a career multiplier? How any profession become unique and top demanding by adding career multiplier. How these personalities become influential by leveraging their unique skills. And how can you find the right career multiplier recipe for you? Consider a combination lock. Why combination locks ship with at least 3 dials rather than any usually numbered from 0 to 9? Because 1 or 2 dials aren't secure enough because they're just too easy to crack. 1 in 10 or 1 in 100 odds aren't great, but adding just 1 more dial increases the odds 10-fold to 1 in 1,000. Definitely better for securing your valuables. Think of your career like a combination lock. Each dial on the lock represents a different skill, qualification, or experience you possess. Just like a combination lock requires the right sequence to open, your career requires the unique right combination of skills to unlock its full potential. For example, for an accountant graduate, your degree is just 1 dial. But to stand out, you need more than just that because it's too common. Now adding the CPA certificate in your 2nd dial and auditing certificate is your 3rd. Now this unique combination will be difficult to crack and will set you apart from others. In other words, to strategically select a combination of unique marketable skills that differentiate you in exponential increments. So how can you identify your own career multipliers? Here are 5 questions to get you started. What unique experiences do I have outside of my field? What additional training or education can I leverage? What hobbies or interests give me an edge? What gaps exist in my field that I can fill? What marketable skills can I learn quickly? By thoughtfully combining your skills, experiences, and qualifications, you can create a unique professional profile that stands out in the job market. For engineering graduates, consider your career as building a house. Your primary degree or skill set is the foundation. Adding project management skills and certification in emerging technologies like AI or IoT is like adding interior designing and security system to your house to make it unique. Imagine combining your engineering degree with a PMP certification and a specialization in AI. Not only can you manage complex projects, but you also have the technical know-how to innovate. This combination makes you a highly sought-after candidate in tech-driven industries. For finance graduates, imagine your career as a gourmet meal. Your main qualification is the primary ingredient, like the chicken in a chicken parmesan. Career multipliers such as expertise in data analytics and proficiency in financial software elevate the dish from simple to extraordinary and unique. Take a finance degree, add skills in data analysis with tools like Python or R, and throw in a certification in financial software like SAP or QuickBooks. This combination can lead to roles in financial analysis, risk management, and strategic planning, making you indispensable to your organization. In the medical field, imagine your career as an orchestra. Clinical expertise are the primary essentials, such as conductor for direction in orchestra. Adding research skills, public health knowledge, and communication abilities are like different instruments, violins, flutes, drums, that create harmony and bring the music to life. Consider a medical professional who also conducts research and has a degree in public health. This not only enhances your ability to provide care, but also positions you as a leader in healthcare innovation and policy making. For IT graduates, picture your career as a garden. Your main qualification is the fertile soil necessary for growth. Career multipliers, such as adding cybersecurity expertise and business acumen, are like the diverse plants, flowers, and trees that make the garden vibrant, unique, and appealing. Combine your IT degree with certifications in cybersecurity and a solid understanding of business operations. This can propel you into roles like Chief Information Security Officer or IT Consultant, where you can safeguard digital assets and align technology with business goals. Let's look at some real-life examples of successful individuals who have used career multipliers to their advantage. Elon Musk is a prime example. With a background in physics and economics, Musk combined these with his entrepreneurial spirit and technical skills to revolutionize multiple industries. From electric vehicles with Tesla to space exploration with SpaceX. Sheryl Sandberg, another legend and COO of Facebook, leveraged her background in economics, Harvard MBA, and experience in government and tech companies. Her diverse skill set has made her one of the most influential women in business. Dr. Atul Gawande, a surgeon and author, combines his medical expertise with a talent for writing and a passion for public health. His career multipliers have allowed him to impact healthcare policy and practice significantly. Remember, the key to career advancement lies in your unique combination lock of skills. So start identifying and developing your career multipliers today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others looking to boost their careers. Thanks for watching.